When it comes to quality manufacturing, Baker Hughes Production Solutions sets the bar high. In Artificial Lift, it's about more than just great products. It's our commitment to you that we're 100% committed to quality at every stage of every product's life cycle. This commitment is reflected in our outcomes, which means high reliability and longer ESP and H-pump run life. Baker Hughes maintains the highest industry standards of compliance when it comes to manufacturing. We are proud to say that we are one of the few in the industry who is certified to ISO 9001, NSF, ANSI, and CAN 61 and 372 standards. We maintain a rigorous 8-step approach optimized for extending run life through 1. Design for manufacturability. 2. Supplier identification and qualification. 3. First article approval process. 4. Incoming inspection, documents and dimensional. 5. Service quality. 6. Continuous monitoring and performance adjustment. 7. Dismantle inspection failure analysis. 8. Continuous improvement and the DMAIC process. Then we take all of this and learn and improve based upon teardown and comprehensive failure analysis so that we're continually evolving with your changing needs. We are the Baker Hughes quality team. We are 100% production solutions and we're committed to quality 100% of the time.